Hi, how's it going everybody? It's been a while since I've done one of these videos, and here we have today with us from Optics Warehouse the Delta Javelin 4.5 to 30 by 56. You can see the reticle there. It's in first focal plane and 30mm tube, 56mm objective with a magnification age of 4.5 up to 30. Just going to do a quick unboxing here. So, solid enough box. I'm going to do this really quick now because I think everybody has seen these at this stage. So inside we have the scope, fairly well wrapped up. There's standard enough kind of wrapping. There's a nice weight to the scope. So there is. It comes already with the throw lever already attached. I'm not sure what the story is here. And also it looks like it has pretty solid looking lens covers, which is good. Okay, lift to turn, turrets, click down, click to open turrets, and click back in. So these are lockable turrets, which I suppose is an advantage when you're in a PRS or a competition kind of setting. So that's the scope. Good weight to it. Looks nice. And we will get it onto this rifle very shortly. First of all, now I'm going to see what else is in the box. And we have a sunshade, standard enough looking sunshade. We may be using that. We also have some Allen keys, a battery, I'd imagine, for the illuminator reticle. And I believe this little item here is the tool for adjusting your lens covers, specifically designed to get into the lens cover. We will look at that in a while as well. I'm guessing the Allen key is probably for the zero slap. Now I haven't opened this or done anything with this yet, so you're learning along with me. So that seems to be everything in there. That's it, pretty much, that's it. So next time you see this scope, it's going to be mounted on this rifle. I've instead of 30mm wheeler rings here, they come with a bubble level on them, so we can do a bit of long range shooting with this rifle. Hopefully I'll get this onto the range and do a bit of zeroing and testing with it very soon. So it may be in the same video, or this might be a video all by itself. Okay, so that's the scope. Pretty decent looking little scope. Okay. Throw lever, first impressions. Seems smooth. Yeah. And not too far, it's what, 180 degrees stop to stop. Very good. Lens covers seem solid, and they fold right down flush as well, which is good. And this is my first time looking through a Delta scope, so it's a beautiful clear day. And we have blue skies and the sun is shining outside, so oh yes, very nice. Interesting reticle as well, slightly different to what I'm used to, but it's the same in many ways as well. It's a Christmas tree style reticle in mil, and this scope is in mil, and the turrets are also in mil, so 1/10 clicks, which seem firm and positive. I like that lock the turret situation there. Yeah, so you're not going to get any disturbance in the turrets when you're out in the field. I'd imagine the battery goes in here. Like I said, I hadn't looked at this yet. This is my first impression. Ah yeah, I'm just holding the illumination turret there with my fingers. So that came out fairly handy. Yeah, just standard enough. I'd imagine it's a 2032. Yeah, I'll get that mounted in there. I won't do it just now. I'll do it off camera. I'll get a look at the settings. Let me see if I can get this back on there. Yeah, dumped on back easy enough. And we have what looks like 6 settings with an off position between each one. So it's positive click, you're either on or off, and there are 6 illumination settings in this, so that will be interesting. We'll see how good they are in daylight. Actually today will be a great day to see if we can get daylight visibility on the reticle with the illumination. Yeah, I kind of like the turret, or the lens covers actually, quite solid. Okay, next time you see that scope, it will be on this rifle. Okay, thank you. The side shot on, so as we can see this, I'm going to overlay this video on what you're looking at here now, so you can see the exact same thing that I'm seeing. So we've got a tree there, it's about 450 yards away, and we're at 4.5 power right now. Just going to zoom in slowly but surely, just to give our camera a chance to steady up on it. So we're going all the way in, all the way in, all the way in. Okay, that's not the camera's fault. Yeah. There we have crow at about 450 yards, and we're at 30 power. Zoom back out again a little bit. Okay, that's our first look at the reticle. Okay, so I have the Delta Javelin here at 315 meters, and what I'm going to do is dial up 1.5 on the turret. So pick up 1 mil, 1.5. Okay, I'm going to press record. It's already recording actually, and we're going to shoot some steel down here. Okay, I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but they're a good tight little group like that. I can see through the scope, so the glass is good, even through the offset camera lens that we have with the side shot here. Okay? Okay, go. 474 meters. I'm going to take a couple of shots at some steel at 574 meters. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully the clarity shows through on the scope in the camera. Okay. Impact. 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 They're all good impacts, and hopefully you'll see the trace as it goes into the target.